Hi, my name's Nick.
And I'm Noah.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, today we're gonna talk about New Year's Eve.
Dude, you won't believe how crazy it's gonna be tonight.
For real? I thought we were just chilling at home.
Nah, man, we're hitting the biggest party downtown. Fireworks, music, the whole vibe.
Whoa, okay, now I'm excited. What's the plan?
So, first things first, we gotta pick up some snacks and drinks. I'm talking chips, soda, maybe even some pizza.
Oh yeah, that's legit. Can't have a party without pizza, you know?
Totally. And we gotta decorate a little too. Lights, maybe some streamers. Keep it festive.
Hey, quick mini quiz for our listeners. Which word means a fun event with friends and food? Is it A, homework, B, party, or C, nap?
Yeah, think about it. It's bee party. That's what we're planning tonight.
All right, let's practice some pronunciation while we're at it. Repeat after me. Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Countdown.
Countdown.
Midnight.
Midnight.
So, Nick, who's coming with us? I mean, we can't be the only ones there.
Oh, I invited Jessica, Sam, and a few of the old crew. Should be pretty cool.
Awesome. I love it when everyone's together. Feels like the whole city's buzzing tonight.
Speaking of buzzing, have you seen the decorations downtown?
No way. Tell me.
Dude, streets are lit up with millions of little lights, snowflakes, neon signs, even the fountains are glowing. It's kind of magical.
Wow, that sounds legit. Totally cinematic.
Yeah, it's like walking into a movie. And the best part? Everyone's smiling, laughing, talking about their plans for the new year.
For real. Speaking of plans, do you have a New Year's resolution yet?
I want to be more confident, try new things, maybe even learn a new skill.
Nice, dude. I get you. Mine's kind of simple. I want to spend more time with friends, enjoy life, not stress too much.
Oh, and check this out, American culture thing. In New York, people watch the big ball drop at Times Square at midnight. Everyone counts together. 3, 2, 1, then fireworks. It's insane.
Yeah, I've seen it in movies. So much energy. Makes you feel like you can do anything.
Totally. Okay, now a quick listening check. I'm going to say some words and you try to remember them. Party, fireworks, countdown, midnight, pizza.
And now repeat them with me, listeners. Party, fireworks, countdown, midnight, pizza. All right, let's talk about food a bit more. I mean, every party needs snacks, right? Chips, pretzels, maybe some chocolate.
Don't forget soda and juice. Oh, and a little fancy touch, some cookies shaped like stars or numbers for the new year.
Dude, that's awesome. Makes it feel really festive.
So, picture this. Lights everywhere, music in the air, people laughing, snacks on the table, and then the countdown starts.
Yeah, everyone's cheering, hugging, high-fiving, and at midnight, fireworks explode in the sky.
Totally cinematic, right? That's the magic of New Year's Eve.
Before we head out, let's do a micro challenge for our listeners. Name 3 things you can see at a New Year's Eve party in your city. Say them out loud, slow and clear.
All right, man, I think we're ready. Snacks, friends, decorations, excitement, it's all coming together.
Yeah, I can feel it. The night's gonna be legendary.
Okay, let's roll and make this New Year's Eve unforgettable.
Totally, dude. Let's do it.
All right, dude. First stop, snacks. I can already smell the pizza from here.
Oh, wow, for real? I think I see the line already. People are everywhere.
Totally, but no worries. We're gonna grab a few slices and still get to the party on time.
Hey, check that out. Jessica's waving at us.
No way! Hey, Jessica, over here!
Hi, guys. I brought some sparkling juice and cookies shaped like stars.
That's awesome. I love when everyone brings something. Makes it feel more like a real celebration.
So, quick mini challenge for our listeners. What are the words Jessica just said? Juice, cookies, stars. Say them out loud.
Yeah, repeat with us. Sparkling juice, cookies, stars. Nice job.
All right, crew's all here. Let's head to the main room. Music, lights, and games waiting for us.
Dude, I can hear the music already. Oh wait, is that a dance-off starting?
Totally. Let's join in, but first, let's talk about some American party culture.
Oh yeah, like how in the US, people sometimes play Secret Santa-style gift exchanges even for New Year's Eve. It's kind of like a mini surprise.
Exactly. And tonight, they've got a surprise game planned. We might get a prize if we win.
Ooh, suspense. I wonder what the prize is. Maybe some extra snacks or a glow stick?
Could be anything, and that's part of the fun, right? Let's check it out.
Wait, quick listening check for our listeners. What's happening now? Dance-off? Surprise game? Snacks? Say it with us.
Dance off, surprise game, snacks. Perfect. Keep practicing your listening. Okay, time to join the game. Hey, Sam, you ready?
Totally, dude. Let's see who's got the best moves.
All right, team, let's show them how we do it.
Okay, listeners, here's a role play. Imagine you're at a party. Ask a friend, do you want to dance? Then answer, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, repeat it with us. Do you want to dance?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, game's on. And look over there, someone's setting up a surprise countdown for midnight.
Oh, suspense alert. I wonder if we can guess what it is before it starts.
Dude, remember last year? The balloon drop almost hit me in the head.
Yeah, no way. That was insane. But that's part of New Year's Eve excitement, right?
For real. And look at everyone laughing, taking selfies, sharing snacks. It's like the whole room's glowing with happiness.
Totally cinematic, dude. And here's a quick pronunciation practice. Selfie, balloons, confetti, cheers. Repeat after me.
Selfie, balloons, confetti, cheers. Perfect.
All right, let's talk food again for a sec. I'm grabbing a slice of pizza. Oh, and some chocolate cookies.
Nice. You gotta enjoy every little thing tonight.
Yeah, man. And maybe later we'll try some sparkling juice for a toast.
Hey, small emotional mini story for the listeners. Last year, I was stuck at home on New Year's Eve. Just me and my cat. No big party, no friends.
Oh, wow. For real? That's kind of sad.
Yeah, but this year, I feel so lucky. Being here with friends, music, laughter, it's like a fresh start.
That's awesome, dude. And that's a reminder for our listeners, too. You can make every year better, even if last year was tough.
Whoa, look over there. Someone's hiding a surprise gift under the table.
Suspense. Should we check it out? Maybe it's a glow stick, or maybe a funny hat.
This is so fun. And listeners, remember, try to describe what you see at your own party tonight. Say it out loud in English. Lights, music, snacks, friends.
Okay, man, let's wrap up this game session and get ready for the next surprise. Everyone's laughing, music is pumping, and the countdown is getting closer.
Yeah, I can feel it. This night's shaping up to be unforgettable.
All right, let's go find that hidden gift and see what surprises the party has next.
Totally, dude. Let's check that hidden gift. I wonder what it could be.
Maybe it's something funny, like a party hat or a glow necklace.
Whoa, check this out. It's a small box with a note. It says, "Open at midnight for a surprise."
Suspense alert. Can't wait, but we gotta keep moving. The dance-off's still going and it's getting intense.
Yeah, everyone's showing off their moves. I didn't know Sam could breakdance like that.
Totally, dude. And for our listeners, here's a micro challenge. Name 3 things you see in this dance-off scene. Lights, music, dancers. Say them out loud.
Perfect. All right, let's grab a drink and watch the next game. I think they're doing a trivia challenge about the year that just passed.
Oh, curiosity moment. Who's gonna win? And what kind of questions will they ask?
For real, dude. And check it out. Some questions are about pop culture, like who won the big football game last year, or which movie broke box office records.
Awesome. Listeners, let's try a mini quiz. Who won the big football game last year? Say your answer out loud, then repeat, the Eagles won the big football game.
Yeah, and while we wait, let's describe the room. Micro challenge. Lights everywhere, people laughing, music pumping, snacks on the table. Repeat out loud.
Totally cinematic, dude. I love how the energy makes you feel like you're part of a movie scene.
And now, a funny moment. Someone just dropped a plate of cookies and everyone's laughing, but no one got hurt.
Classic New Year's Eve chaos, huh? That's part of the fun.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, quick pronunciation practice. Say fireworks, countdown, midnight, confetti, cheers.
Nice. And speaking of midnight, the countdown is getting closer. You can feel the excitement building.
Yeah, dude. It's that mix of suspense and joy. Everyone's talking about resolutions, their hopes for the new year.
Emotional mini story time. Remember last year we didn't see the fireworks because we got stuck in traffic?
No way. This year, we're gonna make it. We're ready for every sparkle in the sky.
Totally, dude. And listeners, try saying your own New Year's resolution out loud. Simple sentences are perfect.
All right, man, let's grab the hidden gift later, enjoy the snacks, and get ready for the big countdown.
Yeah, I can't wait. This night's just getting started.
Totally, dude. The night's finally reaching the best part, the countdown to midnight.
I can feel the excitement in the air. Everyone's gathering by the windows and the balcony.
Look at those fireworks starting over the city. Wow, the colors, the lights, the sparkles.
Dude, this is so cinematic, like we're in a movie scene.
And listeners, here's a micro challenge. Describe what you see in the sky right now. Use words like fireworks, sparkles, lights. Say them out loud.
Totally. And everyone's hugging, laughing, sharing little cheers and high fives. It's that perfect New Year's Eve vibe.
And here's an emotional mini story. Remember how we talked about last year being tough? Now we're here, celebrating together with friends, music, and joy. That's what makes memories.
Yeah, dude. It's a reminder that even small moments can feel huge when you're with people you care about.
Speaking of memories, quick listening check for our listeners. What's happening right now? Fireworks, hugs, laughter, friends. Say it out loud.
Perfect. And now, pronunciation practice. Midnight, fireworks, confetti, cheers, resolution. Repeat after us.
All right, the countdown's starting. 10, 9, 8. Everyone joining in. 7, 6. The excitement's building.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Wow, fireworks everywhere, confetti falling. It's magical. This is the energy we all needed.
Totally, dude. And for our listeners, remember, share your New Year's resolution in English. Even one sentence counts.
Yeah, and remember, every new year is a chance to try new things, make new memories, and enjoy life fully.
For real, keep practicing your English, speaking with friends, and enjoying moments like tonight.
Hey, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, leave a comment below. What's your New Year's resolution? We'd love to hear it.
And check out our next video for more fun English stories and practice. You won't want to miss it.
All right, dude, let's enjoy the rest of the party and make this New Year's Eve unforgettable.